Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Tyler. This video is regarding the JavaScript tutorial called full stack development with Java Spring Boot, React, and MongoDB full course, provided by freecodecamp.org. So this is a very good video. However, like some stuff doesn't work. Okay, so this video is specifically for the review session. As you can see, this is the final result that fully worked. Let's say we choose this movie, Black Adam. Let's go to the review session. As you can see, so basically this is the review session. If I scroll it to the bottom, well, this is basically all the review pulled from the MongoDB database through an HTTP GET request. Let's say I want to add a review. Wow, this movie is so good. And then once I hit the submit button, as you can see, this review got posted at the bottom of the review session. So everything works. However, if we go to the comment section or the description section of this original video, and we go to the front end code, let's say, and then I'm gonna go to like source folder. I go to app.js, then I copy the code, and I go to my code. I paste it with the code I grabbed from the GitHub, and then I go to component, reviews, review.js. I copy the full code and I go to the review file from my end, and then I paste all the code here. And I click save. And I close the version of the website that worked. And I want to rerun this code. So basically, what I am doing is like pull the code directly from the GitHub of the video provider, and show you some problem, something that doesn't work, and then I'm gonna like modify the code and make it work. Okay. So npm start. So there you go. This is the website. So let's say I go to this movie, Troll. I click review session. As you can see, like there are a couple of problems. First of all, the historical review just disappear. And second of all, if I enter a review, let's say, wow, so good. Once I hit a submit button, first of all, the words doesn't disappear from the text box. And second, it doesn't show up in the review session. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to tackle this issue and make it work. Let's go back to the code. So basically everything here is copied pasted from the front-end code GitHub repository. Okay, so the thing I need to do is that I need to go to the app.js file. So nothing needs to be changed in this page. And then I need to go to reviews, js.js file. I need to I need to go to this line. Constructor update reviews equal to blah blah blah. I need to remove this dot 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 reviews. And then I'm gonna click save. And I'll run the code again to see the changes. Okay, npm start. Enter. Okay, let's say I put some review. Good. As you can see, at least we are one step closer to the goal. The enter review in the text box, it disappeared once we hit the submit button, and it show up in the section below. However, we don't have the historical reviews pulled from the MongoDB database. Now we need to add the historical review on the top of this good comment. And then what I need to do is I need to add a section right above the review section. So basically this section corresponds to this review, this little review I just posted. And then, so I need to add another section right above it. I need to change a couple of stuff, like movie. So this movie, and then dot review ID. To be honest, I forgot. I need to go to, let me check one thing. Okay, let's go to here, localhost. Okay. Let me take this one. Yeah, so basically I just want to show one movie. Okay, as you can see, so basically this is an array, and there is another array, review IDs, within this array. So I need to copy the name of the sub-array, and then go back to the review.js. Yeah, so I need to paste, the name of the sub-array here, and then change this to map, and change this to sub, and then change like here to sub as well. So basically, so the purpose of this block of code is to show the reviews in the review IDs subarray. So basically this is an array within the big, so starting from like a review IDs, this is an array within the whole array. So we call it like subarray. The purpose of this like block of code is to iterate to get each like review in the subarray review IDs. Okay, now I save the code. I close here, and then let's run again the program. Okay, let's choose the same movie. Troll, let's go inside. Not sure what happened. Is it an internet issue? Okay. Maybe let me run again. Maybe let me check the result console. There is no mistake here. Okay, let me run it again. Maybe it's the internet issue. Okay. Start. Okay, reviews. Well, there you go. So basically, these are all the historical reviews pulled from the MongoDB database. Okay, let's scroll it to the bottom. So the last review that you can see here is WAN. So it's some like random letters I put just for testing. So I want to add another review. Let's say I want to add, wow, this is a good movie. Wow, this is a good movie. So let's hit the submit button to see if these lines of word is gonna disappear and be put on the bottom of this section along with all the historical review. Hit, well, it disappears. And then let's go to the bottom. Wow, this is a good movie. So everything works. I hope you like my video. See you soon.